Hey guys, need a quick, easy dinner idea? Just keep on watching. You can use sweet potato or potato if you don't like yam or plantain. I don't know about you guys, but lately food becoming one way for us. Like the kids are picky. Every food you make, they're like very, very picky. So I try to be creative and find a new recipe every day to make for them so we all can enjoy our food. By the way, this was super easy to make and it was very quick also. The whole meal took about 10 to 15 minutes. This stew right here was everything. Me and my husband really love fresh stew. This only take about like 3-4 minutes to actually make. You can skip the pepper part if you guys don't like spicy food, but this right here is everything. I usually air fry the yam or the potato, but today I decided to fry it. Just give it a little fatty taste. But yeah, usually I do air fry, even the plantain. Yep, now it's time to play it. This is like the fun part for me. I don't like cooking, y'all. This is like a little secret. I hate cooking. So anything that would be quick and easy, I'm all for it. I don't know about y'all, but I love to eat, but I hate cooking. But yeah, I love the plate, the way it's colorful. It look amazing. It tastes amazing. Let me know if you try, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.